Welcome back to Primetime News. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we journey to Pretty Close, a hidden Riverside dining experience in St. Andrew. Here's Deidre Thomas.
Pretty close, not too far.
It's near Kingston now. Them say it's really close to Kingston. And then I come up with a little hashtag not far and the pretty close matched with it.
Nestled in the secluded Gordontown community in St. Andrew, where nature and culinary delights intertwine, the Riverside Kitchen offers the ideal dining experience. CEO Omar Edwards single-handedly transformed this family property into a haven during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic.
I actually start from like $10,000 and I actually spin back that $10,000 to reach to where I'm at right now, where I can employ people and have to work and things.
Since then, Pretty Close serves as an escape from the bustling corporate life in Kingston.
It's my last day in Jamaica and I really wanted to just find a place where me and my friends can come and vibe and soak up some good sun, get some river water, splash our foot, eat some good food, and I feel like this place pretty much have all of that, so it's perfect.
The property boasts 4 hidden falls. Benches leave customers' feet dangling in water, and the atmosphere creates a sense of calm. There are also changing rooms available for visitors to prepare for a scenic hiking experience. After that, they are treated to a delectable meal, utilizing calabash bowls and cups.
Well, for today we do breadfruit, ackee and saltfish, cabbage, festival, press plantain, and there's just so much.
But Mr. Edwards reflects on the challenges the business faced in its early years.
I lose a lot of things right here in the river. River come down, wash away a lot of things, wash out my kitchen, my pots, everything, but I don't give up. I just continue and push myself forward.
Now, he has great expectations for the future.
Well, I actually want to have guests here living and staying, like have some cabin and thing up the top here, where guests can come and them actually wake up and listen to the river. Them can get a proper meal by the river, you know. So we need to go like Airbnb because that's the way I really want to take it. So it's like my business is like 30% right now because it don't reach where I want it to go yet.
For those captivated by the allure of Pretty Close, reservations can be made by visiting their Instagram page at prettyclose876. For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.